Subscribe for some awesome videos. Hi guys, so this video is pretty brief, but the Sophie Awards are back. If you don't know what they are, basically Mixie7, an age YouTuber, runs these shows that are like the Oscars, but it's for smaller adult tubers, YouTubers, and yeah. And I was wondering if you guys can please nominate me for that because it's the last one for it's the last Sophie Awards, and last year I said I would like do a campaign for it, and it would mean a lot to me if you guys could nominate me. Even if I just get in top 5, I'm gonna be pretty happy. So please nominate me. If you can nominate me, that would be great. Some categories I think you should nominate me for versus the other categories are best dress, best photography, or best overall. Just because those categories I'm more like into, because like I don't really do stop motions at all, so it wouldn't make sense, and I want to be fair too. So like if I'm winning stop motion, then like that's not fair to people who actually do things like that. So I was just wondering if you can nominate me. More info about the Sophie Awards, I'm gonna put Mixie7's video in the link below. Oh, and her survey link below too. And yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to say. If you could please nominate me. Nomination is closed tomorrow, 6 p.m. Central Time, I think. If you could do it today, that would be amazing. Tomorrow, too, yeah. But yeah, anyways, bye. Let's hope we win.